Hi there everybody and welcome to Get Strumming. Now today we're going to have a look at the song Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. And the good news is all you need are three little chords. There's A major, D major and E7. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. To begin with, we're going to start off with an A major chord. Now the strumming pattern that you need to employ is this kind of down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So you're giving it almost a bit of a syncopated feel. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So if you can kind of get to grips with that rhythm, that's brilliant. In the bonus tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do an even more syncopated kind of reggae rhythm. But for now, we're going to concentrate on this down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So to begin with, A major, singing don't worry about a thing. And then we're going to go to D major. Every little thing's gonna be all. And then back to the A major. Right. Singing don't worry about a thing. Goes back to D. Every little thing's gonna be all. And then back to A. Right. Now stay on the A. Woke up this morning, smiled at her, and then we're going to go to E7 now. Rising sun, three little, and then back to A. Birds, beached by my, and then to D major. Doorstep, singing, and then to A again. Sweet songs, melody, and then to E7, pure and true, singing, and then to D, this is my message to you, and then back to A major, you, singing don't worry, there you go, on A, about a thing. Now to D, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Back to A, singing don't worry about a thing. Ooh yeah, yeah. 'Cause every little thing, back to D, is gonna be alright. To A, and then you go into the verse again. So that's it basically. A, D and E7. And don't forget the strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And with that, you should be able to learn Three Little Birds with relative ease, I think. Thanks very much for joining me, and I'll catch you again for another Get Strumming video tutorial. Take care for now. Bye-bye.